Hey guys, got the angry snail out here. There it is right there. Got a bike on the back. Let me give you a closer look. Got his bike on the back right there. Let me see if I can get you the angry snail. It's on there somewhere. Let me see. Hold up. I got you. Here it comes. There it is right there. Right there. You see that? Angry snail. Look at that thing right there. 1/14 scale. 14, I think it's 14,209 if you want to go get it. So type in 14,209. Hypergo. Just out here on the trail, doing a little bit of catching it in action. See how it does on this rock trail right here. A little something. I need to thread down the shocks to give it some more ride height. So just want to show you that a little bit out here. So yeah, it looks good. It's flung too low though, to be honest with you. So just give me a little something. Like, subscribe, come on, notification bell. I think it's too small for this trail, to be honest with you. Let me see if I can see. It's catching every rock. OMG. So yeah, it is. Sorry about the finger. So let me see. I'm gonna run it down and run it back. Let me see if I can catch it on camera for you guys right quick. Hello YouTube subscribers, thanks for tuning in. We got the angry snail out here on a beautiful autumn day. It's about 80 degrees. Just playing with the angry snail, getting used to it, see where I can drive it, can't drive it at. There it is right there. Hold tight, there it is. Hypergo, 4-wheel drive off-road, angry snail. I'm gonna get you a closer look. There it is right there. So just got the bike on the back, just ripping it down this path a little bit. And I probably won't run this thing on this path anymore. It's not really too many leaves, and then the rocks are too big for this 1/14 scale car. So just ripping it, spin that thing around a little bit for you guys. Bring it on back. Get back here. Here it comes. How you doing? I'm awesome. So yeah, we'll leave it right here. Like, subscribe, come in with the notification bell. Till next time, guys.